How to wind somebody up in 5 easy lessons. I never do a mail. I never do a mail call. Never do a mail call. But this winner was off. I don't know if you've gone to see that channel. The man is good. He's crazy, but he's good. And you see, I opened it. And I'm not going to show you what's in there, because he's crazy. Thanks for the most magnificent live evening. All the very best to you and yours. You can't get a nicer man than that. So this sort of thing upsets me more than haters, because this proves that there's some bloody nice people out there. Listen, I can't show you what it is. Alright, no I know, it's drugs. This one is what I bought. Pardon me. I bought some of these. I was going to use them as rivets, just for now, till I do something. So they're rivets. So what we're here for today is this thing. I won off eBay. And I want I won it. What's this? Fucking Christmas present. I won this for £6 because it don't work. So I didn't care about the don't workies. It's a mother tucker of all mother tuckers. So what I wanted to do, as everybody knows, I want to make a hammer, a planisher, even an axle blade. So she said when she plugged it in, I say she because it was a she, when she plugged it in, it hums, but it do not go. So that's alright. Yeah. Just seeing if the electric's on. I wanted to do this video now because that way it is humming. I mean, looking at that, to be honest with you, I'd say it didn't work, but what I was going to do is take this bit off and fit the motor on here with a pulley to pulley, or fit the motor on there pulley to pulley, because you got the rotor, or some people call it a router. So if it spins, but looking in there, it's so full of shitey a duty. It's so full of shite. It might just purely be that it's jammed. Wait there. Action. That is very, very jammed to me. No, this is this is full up with caca-poo-poo. Well, if you want to unplug it, Rob, stick my screwdriver in it. I know you don't mind. You like to see me in hell, so down in there. Can you see? I've seen better days, haven't I? I don't think it's a... I can't see what's down there, man. Okay, now. Oh, I see, now I see. It's like a special. It's a special tool, by the way. Oh, sorry. What did I say on it? It's passed. Passed what? Passed the fucking bus stop. There's a lot of stuff in here, without a doubt. It's definitely seen better days. It's a flat blade posy like looking thing. I know I haven't got one. I'm not looking for one. What I'm looking for is a screwdriver that will fit down that wall. Okay. I'll tidy up next week. I did have another envelope actually. Sewing machine needles. Real man's talk. Sewing needles for the sewing machine. Only real men knows what that's all about. Well, I picked that ornament undone. That would not spin if your life depended on it. Patches. Look at that. That is solid. Whatever they've been eating. Let me just put that back on because you know what I'm going to do, don't you? Some things you just got to do. I won't do them all the way and I haven't got time for that. You ain't got time for that? No, I ain't got time for that. I used to go like that. Nothing used to happen, but it used to look good. I've never known one that solid. It's never going to give you up. Who cares? Let's try it. You can't call me a coward. Right there, something in my eye. I love the smell of smoke. It's absolutely full of karate. Whatever they was doing with it. Look at it. Yeah, have a look. Right, let's just see if we can put it back together for 2.5 seconds. I can see the brushes are well down. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Right, that's back on there to a degree of degree. Broken now. Right. Look at this. Look. Dirty motor. They are as low as you can go, literally. They usually pop out, don't they? They do not want to come out of that. Pause, let's go and get some psh. Years ago I used to collect anything else removed, but it's nothing like that. But you can usually make brushes to fit in there, you know what I mean? It looks like this haven't worked for a long time. Johnny long time. Just take the slime off the sides. So I should fit back down that hole. a bit more comfortable. Comfortable, whatever. Spin it over, turn it over, see if we can get this one out. And there's the other one. So we got the two of them out. That should work now. You know it won't. Let's just put that back together a minute. Well, I'm going to leave that up to you. That's the end of the video. I've got to carry on making my whatever that's called. So should I sell it? Now it's and buy another broken one. I hate the thought of wasting a machine if it does work, you know. It's a dewalt. It's obviously worth something to somebody. Thursday night is a live night for grown-ups. We do get a few silly people on. We're not grown-ups. They're children in a man's body. But it does entertain us. It does entertain us. And we are very well triggered on it, you know. People are watching for this sort of shite, so they will be instantly flobbed off. What the hell are you doing here? I'll see you tonight.
Thanks for staying to the end. Perhaps you want to click another one there. All as crazy as the first one.